Hello YouTube friends, it's time for another dumpster dive with my fam.
Kathy Holka with her big teeth said, nobody can go dumpster diving, but we're gonna go dumpster diving. And there's a lot of snow outside. Let's go look. Look at that Jeep. It's got about 7 inches on there, I guess. It's got about 7 inches on there. Look at all the footprints. They must have just left a little while ago. Well, probably like an hour ago. I'll get it. Oh, there's lots of snow.
They threw away.
Uh-oh. All right, let's do this. Let's get a box. Oh, look at, you finally get your... Oh, no, they stabbed them all. You were always like, ah, oh, wait, it's kind of heavy though. Hold on. Here's a binder. Look at this whole thing of toys right there. Okay. That's a sorry, honey. No stabbers.
That's up in the back.
No stabbers. Okay, just put this over here. Fabuloso. We will check the dates. This one's nice. It's all boxed up already. It's all boxed up already. Yeah. Mama, you getting in?
Yeah.
I think you are. Look, this whole box has game.
Oh shit.
Hey. Look, and there's sugar plum. Oh, look at. Uh-oh. We came to the right spot. All right, so hold on. Let me get a box.
Oh, these are berries.
Hey, I'm right here. Berries. Okay. Look at all the batteries. Yeah. And look at all the M&Ms you're gonna get, buddy.
Probably need to turn the radio down. The houses across the street.
I don't think the cops are coming over here for some dumpster divers. A lot of batteries though. Let's see. Pick a random pack. I don't see any. Oh. DG home batteries. They don't have a date on them. They might be made in China, but they might have a date on the battery, you know? Can you see something?
Yeah, 2022.
Okay, well, it's this year. I don't think they go that bad. They just, that's so much people will buy more. Check the dates on these, Cove. Alright. When?
October.
October this year?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're good. Yeah, this looks good.
Row.
Paper towels.
Row.
Look at. Hey, you fun to look at it later. See what it is. What's this? Oh, Fabuloso. Here it comes. More Fabuloso. I don't think we need these since you're in there. Hey. Rugs.
Some bleach.
Is it open though?
No.
Oh wait. Nope, that must have been something in the rain. I don't know if I want to do the bleach on the truck, the Jeep.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? That
Like
stuff,
it's
yeah.
open.
Yeah, it looked like it was dripping. put this over there? Oh, here, I got it.
Oh, that's cute.
What's this? Cotton swabs? Here, we got another box. Just fill me up right here.
Water.
Throw it in here. Yep. Sponges. Candy. Look at Twizzlers. Look at what's that yellow box of stuff. Oh, air freshener. Oh, wait.
Door handles.
Door handles. Ay, ay, ay. Looks like they're all open, but I got a key over here. Cotton swabs are open.
An umbrella.
Huh?
Those are open.
Ugh.
Batteries.
Batteries. Candy. Here. Fill that up and hand it to me. What? Revlon. Wait, don't get... There's a Revlon thing on there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Candy.
Yeah,
Candy. Candy. I don't know what that is.
It's a microphone. It's a microphone candy for little chicklies.
Okay.
Chiclets.
Candy.
What's that? That's empty, that bottle? Candy. And most of these, he said, are 10/23. So they're October of this year.
Candy. Here, take this.
Here. Thank you. There's a lot of them.
Candy. More candy.
Batteries. Need batteries?
Holy shit, look at all the socks.
Oh, it's the box is tipping. Hold on. I got a
Yeah, bro.
box. We don't have enough room in the Jeep, do we?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Over here on your left. Over here on your left.
Wait, kid. Pens. Hair ties.
Socks right there.
Pens. More pens. Wait, let me go around the side.
There's nothing in here. This is heavy. Oh, look.
Eggs. One big bowl.
March 19th. That's Sunday. Do we need more eggs?
No.
Told you there was heavy in there. I mean, we could dehydrate them. I gotta do it though. I can't do it tonight. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know.
I can do it by the weekend though. Right?
I'll take them then.
Okay. Free. Dehydrate them. What the shitty bang bang? Mommy, you finally got
Look
soap.
at this.
In there, yeah. More batteries. I don't need any more batteries.
Garbage.
Wow, this thing's been open for a while because why is there so much snow in it?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like they just threw all this shit in there tonight because it was wide open, obviously, because there's snow in the back. And all this stuff was at the bottom. All right. What's this thing here? All right.
And then the bleach right there.
Yeah,
Did you do that
I don't want to
bleach?
deal with that.
Okay.
I don't want it spilling in the Jeep.
See it?
Yeah. Good?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, got some stuff here. Should Should we close it? No, it was open.
It was open.
Alright, leave it open then. This thing recording?
Yeah, it's right.
Okay. I'd hate to lose all that. Oh, I'm on the other side. Yeah.
Should we go to the house and drop this stuff and then go to...
Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Right there.
Okay.
Alright. We could leave that open, but it'd be cold. Shit'll fall out. Wow, that's a lot of shit. One spot.
You know how many pairs of socks I got for you? Like a shit ton of socks.
Socks for days, yo. GoPro, stop recording.
Like...
Give me the grabbers just in case.
What is it?
This doesn't say. It's heavy. Some gloves. Gloves. They're Be Safe gloves. Whole bag of them. Do we want them?
Yeah, sure.
I mean, a whole thing.
Yeah, we'll keep the gloves.
In case the pandemic comes.
Yep.
Is this thing recording?
Yeah. Take the
Okay.
whole bag.
What is that?
Yeah.
Yo,
Where are you guys at?
we're out dumpster diving, dude.
What?
Oh, we got a whole truckload already. Or no, Jeep full, and we only went to one place. All right, what's up?
What's up with the Buffalo Wild Wings in the fridge?
Oh no, those are mine, mother. No, those are mine for later. Suck it up, Buttercup.
What else is in the fridge?
I don't know, that's not mine, but just the wings are. The boneless ones with the fries, those are mine. I'll be back, we're gonna be back soon, so
Okay.
I'll heat them up.
Alright.
Yeah, bye.
OMG.
Let's see what we got first.
Like carrot?
They didn't even put the shit in there. Wait, here you go. Oh, mama. There. Take out what you don't want.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Take that out. Take that out. Take that out of there.
No, no.
Okay, put it in. Okay, take it off.
Yeah, we'll take it.
Alright, well, we'll have to. I don't know. There's stuff everywhere.
There really is, and there's just, it's like so much.
Oh, look, look. Holy shit.
Oh
right
shit,
there.
give me.
Oh, I can't say that. Oh, look. You said it the other day. I've never got no soap. Out of trash. Out of trash.
Berries.
Out of stuff from the other day, I think.
I think so too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's getting dirty underneath.
Strawberries.
I think the shit we took on top was good.
Yeah.
This is all bad now.
I think so too.
Yep. I'm even gonna help them out because they didn't even get this one in there. Huh. Jump in.
Can we get in?
Yeah, there's shit over here. You got it? Doesn't it stick to the side? Yeah, it's like that. Look down there. Look at all that shit. No hot dogs. All that other stuff in the blue packages.
Lunchables?
Lunchables. Look at all the bun lengthers, dude. That sucks. Look at the date. Let's see if they can see the date. Use the light. Use the light right here. Maybe it's on the inside, on the edge. Yeah, on the dog, on the doggies. Gotta be on there somewhere. Need a package.
Yeah, sure. High colors.
Oh, right here. It's right here on the edge. Right here, no?
Oh,
See
yeah.
that?
March 1st, 2022.
Oh, yeah.
No.
So,
All of them are March 1st? Oh, get the, look at St. Patrick's Day stuff.
where?
Right there.
Oh,
Oh, those are
a
cute.
couple of those, okay.
Yeah, but take the whole bag.
Just grab the bag.
Yeah. No, this is in there.
Damn, this thing's on there. Fuck. That's what they throw out. That's their list of what they throw out. Found them in there before.
Balloons. What you got in there?
Riley, turn the heat on in there.
Nothing.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Get snow all over me. Here's this one here. Put this up there, right? And then bring it when you come in.
Why did I?
No, I shut it off. I had two. One in my hand, one in my head.
Hey, you want some protein packed?
I don't know. Grab them, put them in the car.
Almonds?
All right. Well,
Give me a
here.
No, I don't need another box. I'll throw it in
Yeah,
there.
here. Put them right here. Take.
There's sunflower seeds.
Put them in there.
Holy fuck, look at all these
What are they for?
sunflower
Humans?
seeds. Yes.
Oh. Another box. There you go.
Oopsie. Got on my face.
I got a leg. I got a head. My bad. Oh, that's a deja vu. Holy shit. Combs, open the back. No, you're good. Here, hold that right there. Hold this. Right, no, you're good. Right here. Put your arm in there. Watch your back here. I'm gonna open this. Yep. All right. Oh, fuck. Watch your arm. Fuck it. This shit busted. What is that going? Right here, let's slam it in there. And then why even, I can't even go anywhere else. Stick it in there. Slam it in there. Alright. Yep, watch this, fuck it. Watch your head. Alright, we're gonna slam the other thing to it. This thing right here. Okay. Roll out. That's it. So that's all we can do tonight, Mama. I think we're alright. Just don't say nothing. I don't think it's gonna break it. I just kind of twisting it, huh? Push that side down.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, right there. There we go. That's better. I feel better now. All right, Mama, that's it, man.
Yeah.
We gotta go. We even got nothing for no. We got no room.
Yeah, we're going Dollar General.
Let's just do the Aldi's on the way home. It is freezing out here. Turn that heat up, yo. Holy.
Babe, here, will this fit in your
There's so much.
Okay, wait, I'll go.
There's no room. Look at the back. We almost busted the feet closing it, right?
I felt it.
It's easier to throw the shit out than to try to repurpose it. Let's do Big Lots. I think Big Lots might be a winner tonight.
All my dishes.
Ooh,
so
so next one, here's
this
one.
one, get them clean. But now I do dishes differently.
No, it's closed. All right, that's it. One more. Aldi's and Big Lots. Lock. Snowdrift. Just the side, you know? You hold this open, I can look in there. Right here, this one. Push this up right here. Fucking wind tunnel over here. Hold on, let me look in. It's empty, totally. ¿Qué pasó?
I said I hope it does. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff.
Tell Sean to come out and help us.
Okay.
Here, Kobe. You can do the coat. All right. Prop that.
Riley, can you make sure, could you put your dips in?
Huh? I just got to get it away from the door so we get in here. Do that later. When to shovel. Someone's got to be the door person. No. In a dumpster, all these. All these were in a dumpster, going to the landfill. And they're good batteries. Shame on you.
Look at, she's biting.
What's she doing?
Biting
Hey,
shit.
Jess, get the cat. Get the cat.
Should we do this one?
Right there. The cat's right there.
Wow.
Get the cat. Get the cat. No.
Get out of there. Alright, get out of there. Go.
Oh, I'm keeping those ones. Those are mine.
Little baby basket. Look, this is cute. Two baskets.
Soapy on 'em or something. Something soapy on 'em. You want this? No? All right. Some,
Look, we got some dog food.
face diapers. Some tape. Dog food that we would give
July.
to other dogs.
Yeah.
Some tape. Look, scotch tape. Or not scotch tape, but tape.
Jelly Ranchers.
What's this one? Some hydrating lotion. Here you go.
Pecans.
Lotion. Sponges. Sponges, Katie.
Okay. Pecans.
Andy. What are these things? Oh, they're locks.
Hey, you said take them.
They took the keys.
They did?
Oh no, the keys are all at the bottom. Yeah, we're not messing with those. I don't need those dollar store locks. Water. There's a box in there.
We got some salad, we got some pretzels, we got some Q-tips, some trail mix, some, what are these? Sunflower seeds,
Oh.
some fabuloso,
I might have to have some ranchers.
some stuff for the kids that
Summer
we're going to
toys.
donate, a lot of the stuff, some socks.
Whole box of socks.
Uh-huh. Batteries, crackers, some rice-a-roni,
Here we are with what do we got?
a lot of shit.
A lot of shit. There's underwear, socks, canned goods, jelly beans. Jelly beans? Are they really jelly beans? Canned goods, lotion, apples. All right, let's start with the Fabuloso again. And finally, Mama got her some. What's that? Dish or laundry detergent. Look at all the pretzels. Pretzels. 2 cases. 2, 3 cases. Some salads, potatoes, eggs, all that stuff. Let's get over here. Look at all this stuff. I mean, this stuff. Trail mix. All this. What's this? Almonds, cashews, coconut, sunflower. That sounds really healthy. All right, let's get over here. Look at this thing of batteries. We tested the batteries. They're all good. This is gonna go in a landfill. So we get all the M&Ms. Some more batteries. Those go down there. Animal crackers. More trail mix. Look at all the socks. Socks for kids. More batteries. Don't go in there. Socks for kids. M&Ms at the bottom. More pretzels. What are these? Anybody had a fireball anytime? I'm gonna have to have a fireball. You want a fireball tonight? I'm gonna try one out. Rice-a-roni. This is great. San Francisco treat. You know, soft baked cookies. Look at all these things. And those are busted. And some. Oop. Start it over. And then we got some Hot Shine, which I've used this before. It's pretty good. So, I mean, these peppers are in phenomenal shape. Water. The whole thing. Look at this. All this. The whole thing. All trail mix. Sunflower seeds. Jolly Ranchers. Yep. So what did we get, Mama? It was a large load.
Yeah.
It was a lot of stuff. And this was only 4 stops?
Yeah.
4 stops. 4 stops. All right, everybody say happy snow day. So happy snow day. Okay, ready? Happy Kathy Hoko snow emergency day. There was nobody out and everybody closed down, so we ravaged all the stores. No, we didn't. We only did 4.
Vitamin D.
And look though. Look at all this stuff. I just, you know, everybody, I can't believe, right, that everybody is starving. How can you be? Hit them up.